Hey, Tanya.
What's up, John?
I tell you what's up. There is proper dress code on Carnival Cruise Line.
Stay tuned. We'll tell you what that is.
So, this article came out today, May 31st of 2025. And for the last, I'll say, 5-6 years, people have been debating what is the proper cruise attire, what should
For
you
Carnival.
wear? Yep, for Carnival. What to wear in the main dining room, what to wear in upscale restaurants, what not to wear, blah, blah, blah. People fighting back and forth. So there's three types of group of people. First group is don't care what to wear.
Wear what they want.
Wear a baseball
Cut
cap.
off jeans in the dining room.
Don't care. Bathing suits, bikinis, whatever.
It's frowned upon, guys. It really is.
It's like they live and let live and don't care. Yeah. The second group of people are the enforcers. Enforce the rules. If it's supposed to have a sports jacket or dress pants, gowns, whatever. Enforce the rules to the proper night. If it's MDR, main dining room, sorry, I said MDR, main dining room.
For those, we do call it MDR, but for those that don't know, it is main dining room. So if you hear him use the term MDR, he's talking about the main dining room,
Yes.
which is the one that's included with your cruise fare.
Yes. So in the main dining room on elegant night, enforce the rules. That's the second group. The third group.
Can I say something to that?
Sure.
So with the main dining room on formal night, guys, just because it's a formal night, if you don't like to dress up, you do not have to pack a formal outfit.
No.
You do not have to go to the dining room on formal night. There's many other places to eat.
Yep.
Then you get those that go to the extreme with hold up on that.
Yep.
And wearing like prom dresses.
Yeah. So that's the third group.
Yeah.
That they want to turn back time like it was on the Titanic, wearing high hats, cane,
Prom style long dresses with trains in the back.
tuxedo with tails. You know, we all seen Titanic.
And you know what?
That's the third.
That's
group.
okay. You guys want to do that and get your pictures taken? Enjoy.
So I fall in the group of the second group.
Yeah.
Turn back time a little bit, but let's enforce the proper dress code, what it should be. If it's supposed to have a suit, tie, dress pants, let's do it.
And for the most part on Carnival, when he says suit tie, you can get away with like a khaki pants and a polo top. Just look nice.
Right.
Don't come in the dining room with cutoff jeans. Your first night, yes, they will let you. Your first night on Carnival, first dining room night,
right.
You can wear
shorts and
yeah,
shirt,
you can
right.
wear whatever you want. But after that, they want a little bit of presentful. Be presentful.
I just found this out today, and I didn't know this. So, the steakhouse, which is probably the upper class of their specialty diners. You agree?
It's very good.
You agree or disagree?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, so steakhouse. I didn't know, and John Hill, the ambassador spokesman of Carnival Cruise Line, said, times are changing. If you want to wear jeans in a steakhouse, you can.
Then
wow,
they have the right to do that. But
yeah.
I say there are nice jeans. Then there are jeans with holes in it and stuff like that.
Right.
I don't think that's proper. But you know what? To each his own. If they're allowing it, we aren't the cruise police here.
No.
We're just letting you know.
When we were in...
it just doesn't look good to some people. But you wear what you want, what they say. So
when we left out Galveston on the Jubilee, in Texas, jeans are considered dress pants. And I've seen gentlemen wearing a nice shirt.
Nice jeans.
Right.
You can get some nice jeans that look really nice.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, they wore jeans. They had their cowboy boots on.
And out of Texas, we saw a lot of that.
Right.
So.
And a nice button-down shirt.
Yeah.
I think that's proper.
Yeah.
So
comment below, you guys, your thoughts. How do you dress when you go to the main dining room? And do you agree or disagree with certain dress codes on the ship? We'd like to hear your thoughts. There's no right or wrong answer, you guys. If Carnival's allowing you to dress a certain way, then, like I said, we are not the cruise police. We're just telling you how we would like to dress in the dining room when we go. It's our opportunity to dress up. We don't get a lot of that here because when we're here, we're working.
Right.
So it's our opportunity to dress up. We don't go quite the extreme of the formal end of it, but we do look nice and presentable.
So, I went to Carnival Cruise Line, did a little research, and I have what you're supposed to wear.
Okay.
This is from Carnival. Not me, not Tanya. This is from Carnival. Cruise casual. Gentlemen, dress pants, jeans, elegant shirt, or polo shirt. Ladies, casual dresses, skirts, trousers, blouses, summer dresses, capris, elegant shorts, jeans. Please.
So that's pretty casual. You got a pretty wide range of stuff there.
Right. Please, no tracksuit. Tracksuit. I guess that's like a jogging suit. Okay.
Yeah.
Baseball shorts. I guess those are the gym shorts. Yep. Flip flops. This ain't Margaritaville. Bathing suits or cut off jeans. That's on casual.
Yeah, that's not to wear, right?
That's not to wear.
Yeah.
Now, cruise elegant night. This is what you're supposed to wear if you want to go into the main dining room. Gentlemen, elegant dress pants, shirts, sports jackets, as well as a suit, tie, or a tuxedo. Dress for your best. That's what they say. Ladies.
Go ahead. No.
Go ahead.
I was just going to... You didn't say ladies yet, so go ahead and then I'll say something.
Ladies, cocktail dress, pantsuit, elegant skirts, blouses, evening gown.
Okay, and that's... You did touch on the pantsuit because I know there's a lot of ladies out there that don't like to wear dresses. I don't mind wearing dresses sometimes, but I have a lot of dress pant suits, jumpsuit, dressy outfits that look really nice. And I like to wear that now and then too.
Please, no t-shirts, flip-flops, bathing suits, jeans cut off, sportswear, or baseball cap are allowed in the main dining room on elegant night.
Yeah, okay.
None.
Some people call it elegant night. Some people, you'll hear them call it formal night. So either or.
On each ship, there are at least two, if people want to know about this, at least two laundry facilities where you can wash, dry, or iron your clothes.
Yes, because for those of you that don't iron your tops,
and this is on Carnival.
If you don't have a garment bag and you have wrinkly clothes, you can go and self-do your ironing and stuff like that, or laundry.
Or if you don't have time.
Or you can pay for them to do it, unless your status is higher with your...
No, we still had to pay for iron, wasn't it?
No, not on Carnival. I'm not sure. We really never had that done.
Right.
But for laundry, as far as laundry goes, like if you're a blueberry and stuff, you probably have to pay for your laundry.
What did you say?
We call them blueberries. You guys, if you're
a newbie,
if you're a newbie, doesn't matter. It doesn't make anyone better because of their status or how many times they've cruised. But they do. If you're a first-time cruiser, you get a blue card.
You're a blueberry.
And a lot of people will call you blueberries. It's not really calling you that. It's just your card status is blue. And, everybody gets called, each color is called something, but yeah.
No, I'll call you. You're a blueberry.
Nah.
Just like Jason and Marianne was. They were blueberries.
That's our friends that were blueberries. Well, not anymore, but, we love you all.
They're
so
strawberries.
It doesn't matter what color you are.
They're strawberries
We're red now.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. So that's what you should wear. Me, personally, I think of this. On elegant night, and if you're, bring your family, you got kids and stuff, dress them up because you know why? They got cameras all around the ship to take the pictures, and this is a perfect time.
They're not free, but if you have a photo package or you want to purchase a photo, it's a perfect time to get your family photo.
Exactly. This is the perfect time because we all know how hard it is to get your kids dressed up and get pictures taken. Now, you can say, hey kids, if you put your suits on, you go to dinner with us, you can go to Cherry on Top and get some candy.
Now I have another suggestion. This has nothing to do with dressing up, or you can go get a free ice cream cone. But
there you go.
This has nothing to do with dressing up, but just so you guys know, each Carnival cruise ship Charlie's, each Carnival cruise ship, they have different, like a white night party where you wear all white.
Yep.
They have sometimes the 80s rock and glow party night. So if you want to pack that stuff as extras for your cruises, look up your cruise ship and what on the Carnival site and see what cruise ships have what parties, because they do the 80s rock and glow a lot and the white night. Those are two really good ones. They've done like the disco night. They've done there's different ones. I mean, on the one out of Texas, they have the cowboy, the boots and,
scooting or something like that. Yeah.
So if you want to bring something like that to really go out, if you want to have a good time on those nights, pack something like that as well and dress up. By all means, you can go to any of those parties without being dressed up as well. It's probably 25% that don't dress up and maybe 75% do.
And it's fun.
And it's a lot of fun. Whether you're dressed up or not, no one is going to treat you any different. But it is always cool.
Yeah. It's Carnival. They're going to make it fun. You're going to have a good time. Enjoy yourself on a cruise. This is your vacation. Make it your way. Do it your way.
Yep. But be respectful at the same time.
Right. Anything else?
Nope. I do want to say, though, are you all done?
I am all done.
So I do want to say, if you are enjoying our content, please hit that subscribe button. Share our channel with others. As always, it does... we appreciate that, and it does help our channel grow.
Absolutely.
And passing it on, and that's pretty much.
And if you've never been on a cruise ship and you want to go on a cruise ship, get a hold of Tanya.
Oh yeah, you'll see at the end of this video. I always have it linked so you can get a hold of me. I am now a travel advisor or travel agent at no extra cost to you, but I can help you plan your vacation.
Awesome.
And even if I'm on my vacation, give me a couple days, but I will always try to respond. I'm not going to leave you hanging. So
she always has Wi-Fi. Me, I disconnect.
Yeah, if for any reason I'm not contacting you back within a couple days, especially on our next trip coming up in a week, because we will be in Europe, and I'm not ignoring anybody. So if you're trying to contact me, I will get back with you as soon as I'm able to.
Me, I'm ignoring you. I'm disconnecting you. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
All right. On that note.
Yep. Love you all, and see you on the next video side.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye now.